whatever Rahul has made allegation, that will not go on the record. And now you can speak.
1 minute,
No.
sir. Sir, 1 minute.
You have made allegation.
Yes,
You have made
I agree,
allegation
sir.
that will not go on the record. This is
Sir,
mine.
sir, agree, sir. Agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I'm reading 350.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352, mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister, two former Prime Minister. Where was this Rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only for him, not only for him. That will be applicable. Please kindly take it. That is applicable for to him. Please, no. Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker, sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industry.
To explain his, whatever you are leveling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So
No.
there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. No, you are mentioning it as how if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul, you.
So I will tell you what. Well, I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे,
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर? Because you were on
Sir,
right track.
sir,
You were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track.
Sir,
I
Speaker,
think so
sir.
why you are just
Speaker, sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir.
No,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना ये भी कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair, if you don't have, sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair, Selja Didi. Selja is also for
Speaker, sir,
and
you know
this is
we know you have fondness for you.
Speaker,
you are an
Speaker
ex-member of our party.
Absolutely.
So I will not go very aggressive today.
Why you are mentioning too much?
But you are a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
Ex-member, no. But
And we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here.
We like you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you,
But
sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
And we know your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We know
बात
your heart is here, sir.
नहीं मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते आप अगर if you are sitting there तो only because of you have not taken my advice. Here I'm advising you. Here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track. So I think so. Still you have time. Still you have time to you should move on correct track.
As today, as you are a sir, in the spirit of our conversation, I will not say the name Epstein, and I will not say the name Anil Ambani, and I will not say the name. No, I will not say, sir.
नहीं बनेगा ये you are a leader of opposition.
Okay.
और
So let me speak, sir.
ये please I think so.
I will not do it, sir.
The whole nation is watching you.
I know. I know that. That's why I'm saying it, sir.
On one side you are saying I will not mention the name. Again you are mentioning the name.
I'm saying
so
I will not
think you are
mention.
not ready to avoid the please.
Okay, anyway. So I will not go into the names. But I would like to say,
I think so you have to speak only on budget. अरे बैठिए किसी आप बजट पे बोलिए ना. There is a general discussion on the union budget for 26,
okay, sir, let me speak.
27. Okay. So I think.
Nice. So, Speaker, sir. So I will avoid that.
अब तो आप नहीं कहेंगे उस दिन आपने इनको
बोलने तो दीजिए, sir. So, The point is that I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on him. So, I do not, sir, this budget that you have.
So you and your member have not made any question, and I believe that day when Piyush Goyal had made a statement on the floor of the House.
सर मुझे आप कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर.
चलिए, please.
नहीं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर.
Okay, thank you.
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर.
नहीं, kindly conclude.
So, we have buckled on tariffs. We have handed out our data, given up control over digital trade rules, no data localization, free data flow to USA, limit on digital tax, no source code disclosure, and 20-year tax holiday. The most valuable asset that India has and will ever have has been handed over. Our farmers have been left to the mercy of mechanized, massive American farms. Our textiles have been wiped out. Bangladesh now is going to wipe out our textile industry. Our energy security has been handed over. We can't buy oil from who we want to buy oil from. Now, I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister would do this. Logic ही नहीं है सर. लॉजिक नहीं है सर. ये जो हुआ है सर, ये पूरा सरेंडर है. सर आपने ज्यादा बोलने दिया मुझे आज. सर आपने मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा जाने दिया आज.
बात आ गई.
तो this is a wholesale surrender, and it is a tragedy because it is a surrender not just of the Prime Minister. He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians. And he has surrendered the future because he wants to protect the BJP's financial architecture, on which there is a case in the United States. He has surrendered. I'm not saying anything.
एक मिनट यार, आप रिपीट बार एक चीज का हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. हमने शुरू से सर आप लोग बैठिए ना, ये बोल सकते हैं. बोलने दो उनको. इसको कोई रूल मालूम नहीं है, पीछे से खड़े हो जाते हैं बिना मतलब का. इनका लीडर ऑपोजिशन को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. सर आपने एक रूलिंग दिया है.